Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be rearranging our rooms. I know I'm way overdue in an apartment tour. Let me show you what we're getting into today. So this is currently our bedroom. It's the same size as the master bedroom. However, obviously it doesn't have its own restroom. So we figured it was time that we moved into the master bedroom and this would become my office. So this is the master bedroom, which is actually the same size as our bedroom. Right now, I currently set it up as like a little studio. So I have my clothes rack in here. I have the mirror that is supposed to be in our bedroom. So this is the closet. It's the same size. I think we're gonna split it half and half. So we're just gonna move everything over here and we have our own bathroom, which is huge. It has like 3 of these. I think they all open. So more space for my beauty products, so I'm really excited about that. And we have a little bathtub. You know, we've been living without a bathtub for a long time. And then we'll get into the living room kitchen stuff situation a little later. We're just gonna focus on the rooms for this vlog. So this is the guest room and office. Everything's just like very tight. I'm excited for this to just be a guest room, and hopefully I can also still shoot in here because it'll be a little empty. And then we need to figure Lupo's closet out. So Lupo's closet is currently in here while mine is in our main room, and I just don't think it makes the best sense because he's having to come into my office to change. We're gonna figure something out. Okay, so now we're gonna hear from Lupo. How excited are you?
Super excited.
What's your goal for today?
I don't have goals, I just do things.
Just make it efficient, quick, and
yes,
no
let's just get it over with.
Alexa, play reggaeton. So what I've done is kind of put my pants up top. I have my jeans separated on one side and then more of like the fancy pants on the other side, along with like some sweats and shorts, and I kind of just keep alternating it depending on the season. So we moved all of our clothes. This is my half, and then you can see Lupo's half. Nice and organized. I am trying to figure out where I want the bed. So I think what we're going to do is, since the cable is on this side, we're going to kind of flip the room and we're going to put the TV here. So our bed is going to come off this wall. And then we'll have a nightstand here and a nightstand there. And then the mirror could go here. So the reason we don't have a headboard or anything just yet, because we were waiting for our wedding registry. We have a headboard on there, and also we don't get anything that's like flat on the floor because, as you can tell, I use under the bed to store like pajamas, bathing suits, gym clothes, and crop tops. This is our setup. We got our bed against the wall, the 2 nightstands, and then the dresser. So the only bummer is like there's not a lot of room here, but we want to keep enough room here. So yeah, this is coming along. Okay, so next we are tackling our old room and making it into my office slash blogger room. The TV's still in here, obviously, because it's mounted. And then I have this half of my closet has dresses, and I obviously don't wear those on a day-to-day basis, so they don't really need to be in here. This is the little situation we came up with. So we moved this little storage area into here, and then we put my new little chair in the middle. Don't know what we're doing with the TV just yet, but I really love this little corner, so it's gonna be kind of like a bookshelf. And then right now it has my handbags, and then the desk looks absolutely perfect right here. It's so cute. It's just like my own little corner. The clothes rack is back here, and then I don't know if I shared an update with y'all on the room. It looks so minimal. It's gonna take a while to get used to it. I feel like this wall looks very empty. Definitely want to change out these curtains. They're a whole ass mess. And then we got my little Figgy Smalls over here. Hopefully she likes it in this space. So the bathroom has been slightly updated. I moved most of my beauty products in here. Not all of them quite yet, but we have all 3 shelfies for storage. I'm gonna use these 2 obviously and give one to Lupo, but I brought my little makeup drawers in here, so it's quite a mess. Next we need to buy a curtain. This is like a lengthy curtain. It's like 80 inches, I believe, which is really hard to find. But I'm excited. We have a shower now. That's a little update for y'all. The guest room also has a little bit of an update. I managed to go through those boxes and kind of sort them out. I put some clothes away from the couch so you can actually see the couch now, but obviously still have a lot to do there. The hat wall, I don't know what I'm doing with that just yet. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we will be tackling that. This, I need to change it out to be more fall friendly because it's a lot of summer stuff, a lot of sandals. Slowly but surely, y'all, it's coming together.